Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blackrock token. Name of the token is Blackrock, ticker symbol is also Blackrock. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting September 20th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Blackrock token is being listed on a central exchange called Bitmart, September 20th at 3 p.m. UTC time. So basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Blackrock, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a Twitter at coin_Blackrock. Now, as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the page over there so you guys can easily find that. Now, this token here is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is an insane amount of tokens. It's one of those tokens with there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 commas. And they're all nines is the number across. So it's who knows what number that even is. That's an insane number. It says Blackrock. Looks like ticker symbol is actually Broc, but they have it listed as Blackrock ticker symbol on Bitmart. So when you are searching this token, just search Blackrock, because there most likely is another token with the ticker symbol BROC. So this one, or Broc. So this one on Bitmart is specifically listed as Blackrock. So it says Blackrock is a meme coin designed to offer the benefits that other meme coins don't give its community. It offers blockchain gaming and entertaining NFT based on Binance Smart Chains, developing a decentralized community and ecosystem. The only meme token capable of blowing its competition away and taking over, Blackrock is more than just a token. It's a movement by a new meme in the crypto space. So they do have a full white paper on their webpage. You can find their webpage at Broc, B-R-O-C, no K, BROC-coin.com. And then on there you can find a full white paper. It is a 10-page white paper. It says, Blackrock's bold move introducing the Blackrock coin. Now, I don't think this is actually affiliated with Blackrock. And even right when you open their webpage, so yeah, the ticker symbol is actually Broc. You can find that all over the place. But it looks like, even here, they have the ticker symbol listed as Broc, B-R-O-C-K. But if you actually go to their BSC scan, it's just B-R-O-C, no K. So, I kind of hate it when tokens can't even get their own ticker symbol right, especially on their own webpage. But yes, this is one of those meme tokens that has a different ticker symbol all over the place. So The official one, according to their BSC scan, is BROC. And anyways, if you are searching it on Bitmart, it's Blackrock, all one word. 18 decimal places on this token. Their BSC scan says 1 holder. So this token is not even live on PancakeSwap yet. So only its initial listing date will probably be the 20th all over the place. So it has no intrinsic value or expectation of financial returns. The coin is for entertainment purposes only. Project reserves the right to modify or update the white paper. So all sorts of disclaimers all over the place. So just be aware about that. Now, it says Blackrock embodies the true spirit of meme resilience and laughter. We're here to prove that laughter can indeed make you rich, unlike other memes. Embrace the FOMO and turn your old losses into profits with Blackrock. Their goal aims to be the #1 community token, allowing degens to rely and invest freely. The ultimate goal is to soak up the liquidity from its competitors. Our vision is to create a vibrant and captivating blockchain gaming community where players can experience the excitement and thrill of decentralized gaming while also enjoying the benefits of true ownership and control over their assets. Our mission is to utilize Web3 technology to create entertaining and highly engaging applications that push the boundaries of traditional gaming. Then the Blackrock ecosystem, they're going to have NFTs, decentralized finance, governance, so basically their own DAO, blockchain, and community. And so the benefits of a long-term holder would be gaming and NFTs, multiple reward systems for holders. 5% of the tokens go to rewards and can be airdropped to holders. 15% of the tokens go to staking, so you can earn more tokens by staking your tokens. 14% of the tokens go to gaming. 42% public sale, 10% development, 10% marketing, 4% team. They do have a roadmap on here starting with token launch, website launch, BSC scan verification, Bitmart launch, liquidity locking, social buzz, 1,000 holders, NFT launch, more central exchange listings, adding liquidity, social explosion, 40,000 members, 15,000 holders, strategic partnerships, 200 million market cap, airdrop launch, exchange listing, social governance, more holders, more members, 1 billion market cap, and then apps launch. Now it shows you step by step how to buy this token off Bitmart. In case you didn't understand what I said, they show you how to do that on their white paper. It says buy and hodl with compassion and stay tuned for more updates. Now the one thing, I don't see a full audit or KYC anywhere. I double check their webpage here, scroll all the way down. Yeah, I mean, I don't see one anywhere. Hopefully they come out with one in the future that's not even on their roadmap. So definitely take tokens with a grain of salt that aren't even audited, but maybe you'll be able to find an audit here soon, hopefully. Very much a meme coin as well, not a ton of utility, very much meme utility like NFTs and staking and GameFi. That's about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.